Are you a parent who is having some apprehension about getting the nanny search process started? My name is Jolie. I am a nanny and family matchmaker, and I own Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. Today we're getting real about that anxiety, that concern, even that sadness that parents can have when they think about, searching for a nanny and turning over the care of their child to somebody else while they go to work or take care of other parent responsibilities. I'm really here to provide that peace of mind, to really be your partner in finding what is going to be the best for your family in the way of a nanny, a family assistant, etc. Somebody who's really going to fit in and help support you with not only caring for your child, but maybe whatever duties would help to take off your plate. So please give me a call. Calls with me are free.